The computer vision service offering uses real-time video feeds to collect and analyse anonymous data in compliance with the GDPR. This data is used in a smart alert system implemented alongside an already operational video surveillance system. Sylvie works at a shopping mall. She needs to analyse flows of people to optimise brand locations, improve the customer experience, and measure the marketing plan's effectiveness. With support from the Orange Business Services teams, Sylvie now uses computer vision. She can use her dashboard to view, process, and share key data that are stored on the cloud. Now it's simple and easy to optimize customer journeys or identify hotspots. For Michelle, who is a worksite safety manager, computer vision dovetailed easily with his existing video surveillance and alert system. The experts at Orange Business Services used artificial intelligence to create a solution that alerts him when a worker is not wearing their safety equipment. Working together, they also set up virtual barriers to prevent incidents, as well as a monitoring system for worksite machinery. Natalie is a production line quality manager who needs to be able to identify both defective products and the machine responsible. Thanks to computer vision, she has increased the number of control points to detect manufacturing defects, saving the company precious time and resources. She's also able to schedule smart maintenance operations with ease. Drawing on artificial intelligence, machine learning, the powerful Orange Cloud, and its flexible engine solution, computer vision brings together all of Orange Business Services' areas of expertise, creating the ideal solution for analysing video data. No matter what your business is, let's work together to build a solution that is tailored to your needs.